Welcome to our channel Dreamers 360. Today we are going to see 12th New History Volume 1 Unit 6 and 7. Here first Unit 6 Religion in Nationalist Politics. Choose the correct answer. First one, during the Mughal period the official and the court language was. Answer option D, Persian. Second one, what is the chronological order of the foundation of the following socio-religious organization? All India Muslim League 1906, Arya Samaj 1875, All India Hindu Mahasabha 1915, the Punjab Hindu Sabha 1909. Therefore, the answer for the second one is option B, 2143. Third one, the first Indian to find a place in London Privy Council. Answer option C, Syed Amir Ali. Fourth one, accession reason. Accession. The Bengal government's order of 1870 created apprehension in the minds of Muslim professional group. Correct. Reason. It replaced Urdu by Hindi and the Perso-Arabic script in the courts and offices. It's also correct. Therefore, the answer for the fourth one is option B. A is correct and R explains A. Fifth one, find out the correct statements. Statement 1. Some of the early nationalists believed that nationalism could be built only on Hindu foundation. It's correct. Statement 2. The effort of organization such as Hindu Mahasabha was strengthened by the Theosophical movement led by Annie Besant. It's wrong. Statement 3. The congressman's participation in Shuddhi and Sangadan campaigns of the Arya Samaj further exchanged between Hindus and Muslims. Correct. Therefore, the answer for the fifth one is option B. 1 and 3 are correct. Sixth one. The two nation theory first came from. Answer option D, Sir Wazir Hasan. Seventh one. In the 1937 election, Congress won in option B, 7 provinces. Eighth one. The Muslim League celebrated the end of Congress rule as a day of deliverance on. Answer option D, 22nd December 1939. Ninth one. Match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer using the codes given below. Annie Besant, Theosophical Society. Syed Ahmad Khan, Aligarh Movement. Khilafat Movement, Ali Brothers. Shuddhi Movement, Dayanand Saraswati. Therefore, answer for the ninth one is option A, 3142. Tenth one. Find out the correct answer from the following. First one, Sir Syed Ahmad Khan, the founder of Aligarh movement, was initially supportive of the Congress. Correct. Second, the Punjab Hindu Sabha, founded in 1909, led the foundation for Hindu communal politics. Correct. Therefore, answer option A, statement 1 and 2 are correct. 11th one, Direct Action Day organized by the Muslim League on. Here, the given option or all are wrong. The correct answer is 16th August 1946. 12th one, Wavell was succeeded by. Option answer option C, Mountbatten. 13th one, Assertion and reason. Assertion. The institution of separate electorate was the principle adopted by the British government for fostering and spreading communalism. Correct. Reason. The people were split into separate constituencies so that they voted communally. Correct. Therefore, the answer for the 13th one is option D. A is correct and R is the correct explanation of A. 14th one. Match the following and choose the correct answer from the codes given below. A. Hindu revivalism, Arya Samaj. Abolition of Caliphate, 1924. Lala Lajpat Rai, partition of the Punjab into Hindu and Muslim provinces, and RSS MS Golwalkar. Therefore, the answer for this one is 2, 3, 4, 1. The option given here are wrong. Unit 7. Last phase of Indian national movement. Here also, first choose the correct answer. First one. When did individual Satyagraha begin? Answer option C. 17th October 1940. Second. Hindu-Muslim riot, Navgali. August offer, Ling Lithgow. Proposer of partition resolution, Govind Balapant. Indian National Army, Mohan Singh. Therefore, the answer for the second one is option C, 4, 3, 2, 1. Third one, the Cripps mission visited India during the regime of. Answer option B, Ling Lithgow. Fourth one, match the following. US President F.D. Roosevelt, Chinese President Chiang Kai-shek. Option C, British Prime Minister Winston Churchill, Japanese Prime Minister Tojo. Therefore, answer for the fourth one is option C, 4, 3, 2, 1. Fifth one. When was Subhash Chandra Bose removed from the Congress? Answer option B, 1939. Sixth. Mahatma Gandhi gave the call do or die during the regime. Option C, Quit India movement. Seventh. Who ran an illegal radio station at Bombay during the Quit India movement? Answer option A, Usha Mehta. 8th. Who appeared in the court in defense of the INA soldier? Answer option A, Jawaharlal Nehru. 9. Who was the Viceroy of India when the Quit India movement started in 1942? Answer option B, Lord Linlithgow. 10th. Assertion and reason. Assertion. Quit India movement could not achieve its goal. Correct. Reason. The government of the day adopted a very repressive policy. Therefore, answer for the 10th one is option A. Both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. Next. INA was founded with the help of. Option B, Japan. 12th one. Name the regiment of Indian National Army consisting of women soldiers. Answer option D, Rani of Jhansi Regiment. 13. Where did Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose form the provincial government of Free India? Option D, Singapore. 14. The INA trial took place in. Answer option A, Red Fort, New Delhi. 15. Which viceroy convened the Simla Conference in 1945? Answer option A, Lord Wavell. 16. Interim government of 1946 was headed by. Answer option A, Jawaharlal Nehru. 17th one. Arrange the following in correct order. First, formation of Indian National Army 1942. Royal Indian Navy Revolt February 18, 1946. Indian National Army Trials 1945. Rajaji Formula 1944. Therefore, the answer for the 17th one is 1, 4, 3, 2. The given options are wrong. 18th one. Which is the correct sequence of the following events? INA trial 1945. Direct Action Day 16th August 1946. August offer 8th August 1940. Individual Satyagraha 17th October 1940. Therefore, the answer for the 18th one is option C, 3, 4, 1, 2. 19th one. Name the British Prime Minister who announced the transfer of power to the Indians' hand. Option C, Clement Attlee. 20. British had their intention to leave India by. Answer option C, June 1948. If this video is useful to you, like this video, share it with your friends, do subscribe and click bell icon to get instant updates.